Hey everyone, it's TK from Profit Stream, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you the differences between e-commerce and the online marketplace. Selling products online has become the norm, but do you opt for an e-commerce store or you just list your product on the marketplace? So in this video, I'm gonna show you the key differences between these two to help you decide. So first off, what exactly is e-commerce? E-commerce is setting up your store online with full control over design, marketing, and customer experience. On the other hand, online marketplaces are platforms that multiple sellers list their product, creating a one-stop shop for customers. To give an example, on the e-commerce stores, you have the Nike website, where you have one brand with multiple products. And these are some examples of tools that can help you build your own e-commerce store, and I'll be talking about them in later videos. The online marketplace is like Amazon, where you have one place with a lot of different categories and products to choose from. So think of it like this. Putting your product on an online marketplace is like putting your product on a shelf of a supermarket. And the e-commerce is like you building your own supermarket and putting your products on the shelves. So as you can see, there are some differences between e-commerce and marketplace. Now I'm gonna tell you the pros and cons of each. So the e-commerce shop, first off, you have brand control. You have full control over your brand image, design, and customer experience. You have flexibility, where you can customize your website's features and functionalities to suit your business needs. And lastly, you have direct customer relationships. E-commerce allows you to build direct relationships with your customers, fostering loyalty and trust. Now, the cons of e-commerce are higher initial investments. Setting up and maintaining an e-commerce website can require significant initial investment, such as development, hosting, and marketing. And you have the marketing efforts. As a standalone store, you're responsible for driving traffic to your site and competing for visibility in search engine results. And lastly, you have your operational responsibilities. Managing inventory, processing orders, and handling customer support can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Now let's look at the pros and cons of selling on an online marketplace. Firstly, you have built-in traffic. Online marketplaces already have a target customer base, providing built-in visibility for your products. You have a low barrier to entry. Joining an online marketplace typically requires less upfront investment compared to setting up your own e-commerce website. And lastly, you have simplified operations. Marketplaces handle many aspects of the selling process, including payment processing, customer support, and sometimes even shipping and returns. Now let's go to the cons. First off, you have limited brand control. While you can create a seller profile, your brand visibility may be overshadowed by competitors and the marketplace itself. And you have the commission fees. Most online marketplaces charge a commission on each sale, cutting into your profit margins. And lastly, you have increased competition. Since multiple sellers offer similar products on the same platform, competition can be fierce, making it challenging to stand out. So, there you have it, the differences between the online marketplace and the e-commerce store with their respective pros and cons. Ultimately, the right choice for your business depends on your goals, resources, and target audience. Be sure to weigh these factors in carefully before making your decisions. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, it's TK from Profit Stream.